Use questioning as a method to learn English tenses. Each question takes 10 seconds. You can pause the video if you need more time to think. Question number 431. By this time tomorrow, I will be flying to New York. What tense is will be flying? A. Simple future. B. Future perfect. C. Future continuous. D. Present continuous. Correct answer, future continuous. Question number 432. He had never seen snow before he moved to Canada. What tense is had never seen? A. Simple past. B. Past continuous. C. Past perfect. D. Present perfect. Correct answer, past perfect. Question number 433. By next month, I will have finished writing my novel. What tense is will have finished? A. Simple future. B. Future continuous. C. Future perfect. D. Present perfect. Correct answer, future perfect. Question number 434. She had been working on that project for months before she finally completed it. What tense is had been working? A. Past continuous. B. Past perfect. C. Past perfect continuous. D. Present perfect continuous. Correct answer, past perfect continuous. Question number 435. By the end of the year, they will have been married for 20 years. What tense is will have been married? A. Future continuous. B. Future perfect. C. Future perfect continuous. D. Present perfect continuous. Correct answer, future perfect continuous. Question number 436. Which sentence indicates a general habit? A. I am going to the gym now. B. I go to the gym 3 times a week. C. I went to the gym yesterday. D. I will go to the gym tomorrow. Correct answer, I go to the gym 3 times a week. Simple present. Question number 437. Which sentence describes an action in progress right now? A. The dog barks loudly. B. The dog is barking loudly. C. The dog barked loudly. D. The dog will bark loudly. Correct answer, the dog is barking loudly. Present continuous. Question number 438. Which sentence describes a completed action in the past, often with a specific time word? A. We travel a lot. B. We traveled to Italy last year. C. We have traveled a lot. D. We are traveling now. Correct answer, we traveled to Italy last year. Simple past. Question number 439. Which sentence predicts a future event? A. She sings well. B. She is singing now. C. She sang a song. D. She will sing at the concert. Correct answer, she will sing at the concert. Simple future. Question number 440. Which sentence describes an action that started in the past and continues to the present, or whose effect is still present? A. He watches movies. B. He watched a movie. C. He has watched that movie many times. D. He is watching a movie. Correct answer, he has watched that movie many times. Present perfect. Like, share, comment and subscribe.